Hello everybody, 175 of you. Alright, what am I doing? So today, we're doing something a little different. I'm going to show you how to cut your own hair. So step number one is determine if you think you need a haircut. I think I'm close to there. I don't know, it's getting kind of long. We're going to make some changes. So let's see what happens. Okay. Okay, that didn't work. That's maybe not a good idea. Okay, I started doing this a few years ago, and when I first started to do the back of my head, I'd use the back of a DVD. It wasn't scientific or perfect, but hey, it's reflective, and it worked. I've since upgraded. I went to a flea market and I got this for $1. Yeah. So I put the DVD away and let's see if we can make this thing happen. I'll change locations. Okay. It's 2 in the morning. The only thing I have to hold my phone is stuff I have in the bathroom. Oh. Before I go any further. I forgot. Still standing. A bar of soap that I dropped 6 months ago. Okay. There we go. Perfect. So I do one side first, get a relatively straight line, as close as you can get, not a big deal. I'm not a barber, but I've been doing this since I was 14, and I have the flexibility of a brick. So if I can do it, anybody can do it. So if you average out how much I've saved over the years, let's call it, just to round up, 20 years. One haircut every 2 weeks, 15 bucks. It's $30 a month. That's $360 a year times 20, $7,200 I've potentially saved by using the back of a DVD and clippers. Now when I do my back, I usually just do it blind and I feel for it. So that's what we're going to do now. Sometimes I use a mirror. Nine minutes into the video, about maybe 5 minutes into the actual haircut, because you guys had to see William. So let's keep going. Now I take a number one, and we just start fading it in. I don't go too high, I just kind of fade it in. And other side. This is the poor man's barber shop. Okay, we do the back. Okay. Alright, good. I can see if I'm actually videotaping, so that's good. Alright, hopefully you can see this. Okay, so that's kind of faded in. I go back to the zero. I have it adjusted all the way up. Turn it out a little bit. Just go over the same areas. It's not cutting. Almost done. Not only saving time, but saving money. Well, saving money and time, I guess. Just fade it in. Don't want to go too high, but if you do, I can show you how to fix that. Alright, and this I just do by feeling. Let's take a look, see what we're doing. Okay, it's kind of not very good, but we'll fix that now. Alright, now I grab number two. Hopefully this will trim whatever I didn't get with the number one. Once again, just fade it in. So do what I feel. So what I do is I have my ring finger in front of the guard, and I'm just feeling how long the hair is before I actually go and cut it. Looks close enough. Pretty close. No. Okay, I can fix that a little bit. Okay, right there I missed the spot. On there. Okay. Doing the back of my head now. So I missed anything? I think we're done. It's done. Less than 15 minutes for a haircut. So it's more than 15 minutes. Wait, look. There, okay. The side is alright. Keep in mind, there's a lot of hair that's still on the head that I was going to cut. Patches. number one, because the two didn't do it. Didn't cut it. Good enough for me. Cleanup is easy, just keep it all dry. Keep it dry. I'll put it in the toilet and flush it. And that's pretty much it.